Well, I had to redo my loading room. I didn't like it. The wife didn't like it. She wanted the TV hung on the wall, so I go to Walmart. I buy this monstrosity that you could probably hold a rhinoceros to a wall. It doesn't work for a 42-inch TV. And anyway, so I put that up there. I want to hide the cords and such. But anyway, I had to get some things kind of moved around, so I put the this bookcase where I've got my stored my ammo. I'll go out and shoot. My reloading stuff. I don't know if you can see that, but I had run out of room in other places. You got my powders and primers, and then the bullets. But anyway, you had to rearrange and free up some room on that bench. And I'm going to hang that tomorrow above here. And then I'm going to hang that Mauser after I finish the woodwork on it right there. And another thing my wife had bought me. There's my little marlin. But anyway, I need to find a place for my fishing reel too. But I've been pretty active today. Hope you guys have had a good day as well.